story before
You
they
know what
do
he
this?
does for a living, right?
Yeah, so
A
let's
little
take
bit.
Want timing lights?
Yeah, where's the timing lights?
So, take it away, man.
Oh, I just, that was a dramatic pause. I just thank each of you for being here. Thank you for being here, and I just feel I need to commit deeper, to live deeper, to, you know, walk the talk that I claim to have. So, I'm wearing this shirt. This is, it's given to me by Dave Fitzgerald, my other comedy mentor, and that's why I have it on. I don't have a lot to say, believe it or not. I'm saving that for Saturday. But Vince, thank you for the life that you led to bring me here. You reach me in a way that nobody can. I know you don't take any credit for that. I get that it's God, but I thank you for letting him use you and for the life that you led. My other family, thanks for being here.
Do you have a wallet or anything? Okay, I just want to make sure it's not in your pocket.
Thank you. I appreciate the reminder.
Hold your wrist.
Good training. Now we know where his wallet is. Keep him busy.
Thank you.
Yes, that's Jacob.
Thank you, Jacob. Forever I owe you.
All right, just sit down. I want to tell you, I'm just really proud of you. Let me tell you before you get wet. It's been a long journey, lots of prayer, lots of thinking, lots of talking, and just really proud of who you are and this journey you've been on and what you're doing today, and just really excited to see what God's going to do with the rest of your life too, and I'm glad I get to be a little part of it. So because of your faith, because for a long time you've been walking with Jesus and you want to take that deeper, I baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. That's awesome. I need a football. Let's